Using the scalar negative 189 thousandths, multiply matrix M to create matrix S. Choosing technology might be helpful with the multiplication by a decimal scalar. Okay, so we've got this scalar, which just means we're going to be multiplying this whole matrix, every number in this matrix, by this number here. So just going to multiply that, and you can do this by hand, but it also says, and since it's a decimal and we know these will be messy numbers, there is a way to do this in the calculator, so I'm going to go ahead and get out my calculator. So in the calculator, then yours might vary a little bit. This one's a TI 83 plus, but whatever you have, if it's a TI, it should be pretty similar to this. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the matrix menu, which is second, then this x to the negative 1 or inverse x. And then that takes you, it has names, math, and edit at the top. Go to edit, and I'm just going to pick matrix A to make this M matrix. So if I press enter, then I can press in the number of rows and the number of columns. So the rows here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I press 5 and then enter. And then the columns are 1, 2, 3. So then I press 3 and enter. And notice it gives me then the right size of matrix. And so then I can just go ahead and put in these numbers and copy that same matrix M. So we have 8, then I just press enter to go to the next entry. So 10, and so on. So now that I have all of my numbers filled in, then this is saved right now as matrix A. And so I can go to my main screen by pressing second and then this quit, which is on the mode button. And that takes me to the main screen. And then I want to multiply matrix M by the scalar. And so I just type in my scalar, and then that's going to be multiplied, and I actually named it matrix A. So I'm going to go to second, and then again to matrix, that same menu, and I'm just going to press enter on number 1A, which is my 5 by 3 matrix. So I press enter, and then now it's being multiplied by the scalar. Press enter again, and it gives me my new matrix being multiplied by that number. And so this is the answer. And so we can go ahead and copy that down, and we have our answer. Our answer is S equals negative 1 and 512 thousandths, 1 and 323 thousandths, negative 1 and 512 thousandths, negative 1 and 701 thousandths, 1 and 134 thousandths, negative 1 and 89 hundredths, 1 and 701 thousandths, negative 2 and 835 thousandths, negative 3 and 591 thousandths, negative 3 and 24 thousandths, negative 2 and 268 thousandths, negative 2 and 79 thousandths, negative 2 and 457 thousandths, negative 2 and 646 thousandths, negative 3 and 213 thousandths.